How to set up TP-Link Bridge EAP211. So your first step would be to unbox and identify the units. So in the box, you'll find two bridge units, power adapters, and mounting kits. The one unit being the AP and the second unit being the client, which is a station. All right, so your next step would be to simply connect the main unit to the router. So all you need to do here is simply connect the first unit to your router using an Ethernet cable and then power it on. Once you've done so, you should then power on the second unit at the remote location where you want your internet access. So the next device should be connected where you want it. And then go ahead and align both units by pointing both units directly at each other for a strong wireless connection or wireless signal. You're going to see it in the illustration here. And then once you're done, make sure to access your setup page by simply connecting the device to the open IP address in your browser or use the TP-Link management app. It works really well. And then once you're done, you can now proceed to configure your bridge mode by setting one unit as the access point and the other as the client or bridge mode and then linking them together. And now last but not least, go ahead and connect both devices at the remote end using an Ethernet cable from the second unit to connect your PC to the Wi-Fi network. And then last but not least, simply test your internet connection to confirm that the bridge is working. All right, guys.